Are you looking for a simple and easy way to make money online without needing special skills or big-time commitment? Let me share with you two fantastic platforms that actually pay you for doing something as simple as reading emails. Yes, you have heard me right. You can get paid to read emails. Let's dive into how it works and how you can start earning today. The concept is straightforward. Companies want to promote their products and services, and they're willing to pay platforms to reach potential customers like you. These platforms then share a portion of that payment with you in exchange for your time and attention. Once you sign up for these platforms, you will start receiving emails with promotional content. Your task is simple. Open the emails, click on the links provided, and follow any instructions given. This method doesn't require a lot of time. You can do it in your free moments, like when you are having a coffee, during a break at work, or even while watching TV. Most platforms also offer other ways to earn, like completing surveys, watching videos, or trying out free offers. Now let's talk about numbers. How much can you actually earn by reading emails? While this will not replace a full-time job, it is a great way to earn extra cash on the side, especially if you're a teenager or a student. On average, you can earn anywhere from few cents to a couple of dollars per email, depending on the platform and the type of the offer. Many platforms also reward consistent activity with bonus opportunities, so the more active you are, the more you can make. If you dedicate a little extra time to completing surveys or trying out higher paying offers, your money can grow significantly. It is a flexible way to boost your income without making a major time investment. Now let's dive into these websites. The first website is Paid to Read Email. Paid to Read Email is a well-known platform where you can earn real money just by opening and reading emails. It is one of the easiest way to make money online, and the best part, it is free to sign up. So how does it work? Once you create an account, you will start receiving promotional emails from the platform. These emails often contain advertisements or special offers from companies. All you need to do is open the email, click the link inside, and you will earn a small amount of money for your effort. The earnings may not make you rich overnight, but they can add up over time, especially if you consistently check your emails. Additionally, Paid to Read Email also offers other ways to earn, such as completing surveys and other stuff. These options give you more chances to boost your earnings. What is great about this website is that payment threshold is low, so you won't have to wait too long to cash out your earnings. They pay via PayPal, making it convenient for almost everyone around the world, including Africa. Imagine turning those few minutes you spend checking emails into extra cash. It is that easy. The second website is Cash for Offers. Cash for Offers is another legitimate platform that pays you to read emails, but that is not all. You can also earn by completing surveys and other stuff, and even signing up for free trials. Here's how you get started. Create an account for free, and once you are in, you'll start receiving emails in your inbox. Similar to Paid to Read Emails, you earn money by opening these emails, spending time on the platform, and clicking the links. Each emails come with clear instructions, so you will always know what to do. One thing that makes Cash for Offers stand out is its referral program. If you invite friends or family to join, you will earn percentage of their earnings. This means that your potential to make money increases, and the more people you bring, the better. Plus, they have a variety of payout methods, including PayPal, gift cards, and even directly to your bank account. If you're just starting your journey to making money online, these two platforms are perfect. They don't require any technical skills or large investments of time. You can work at your own pace, and the tasks are straightforward. Whether you're looking to pay off a small bill or save for something special, or just want to make extra money, Paid to Read Emails and Cash for Offers are excellent options to consider. Making money online doesn't have to be complicated. With Paid to Read Email and Cash for Offers, you can turn simple everyday activities like reading emails into an income stream. The key is to stay consistent and take advantage of all the earning opportunities these platforms offer. So sign up today and you'll see how easy it is to get started. That's all for today, and don't forget to watch my other videos that are in the description below or on your screen right now. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your family and friends.